So recently, RBI issued a warning against the charging mobile phones using public ports. Okay. So recently, RBI has said that you need to be cautious, or you need to stop your mobile phones from charging from the public ports. Okay. So what is juice jacking? It's a type of cyber attack. Okay. Where hackers tamper with public USB charging ports, infecting them with malware, or making hardware changes that allows them to steal data from devices connected to them. Okay. So juice jacking is actually a cyber security threat or cyber attack. It's a type of cyber attack. So in which the hackers will be hacking the public USB charging ports. Okay, in which either they will be introducing them with malware, that is virus, or what they does is they will alter the hardware, that is alter the USB board such that they can steal the details from the or data from the devices. Okay. Now, it is not that the iOS mobiles or the iPhones are being free from that. No. The most attacks target both the Android and iOS mobile devices, with older devices being particularly vulnerable due to their outdated software. Okay. When users connect the devices to compromised USB ports, hackers use the connection to hack into mobile devices and steal data. Okay. And malware by gaining access to the phones. Okay, this juice process or this type of cyber attack is known as juice jacking. Clear?